Hello everyone, my name is Andre Kröker and I welcome you to my Dagubi YouTube channel. I can hardly believe it, but I am back. I'm so happy. So this is currently my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, all videos are disabled at the moment. I wanted to give you an update on how things are with my Dagubi YouTube channel at the moment. As many of you have already noticed, my channel has not been available for the last 2 weeks. What can I say? Yes, my YouTube channel was hacked. I'm incredibly sorry it happened. Thank you to everyone who has supported me on Facebook, Instagram and email. Thank you for the kind words and for your sympathy. It's been a terribly 2 weeks for me. It was pure horror. Watching someone do what they want with my channel was absolutely terrifying. The hacker only uploaded one video. He broke the YouTube policies and terms of service pretty quickly. So YouTube blocked the channel after just a few days. During that time, I made many attempts to contact Google and YouTube. It was a difficult journey, but I have my channel back. A big thank you to Team YouTube. Thank you so much. I have access to all my videos, but not everything works yet. So I have to wait a little longer before I publish all the videos again. Please be patient. Another thing. I've been rebuilding my Dagubi shop for a few months now. Unfortunately, I will have to change the shop system for this. And now, of all times, my YouTube channel is being hacked. It was real horror. It was really unfavorable and it messed up all my plans. I hope to have uploaded all the videos on YouTube again by the beginning of July. Then I can continue with new tutorials. And again, please be patient. Thank you for watching and for your support. See you soon.